Hello everyone. In today's class, let us study about the next topic, envelopes. Consider an equation x minus alpha the whole square plus y square equal to 1, which is the circle, right? Which is the circle at center alpha is alpha, and here y minus 0 the whole square, which is 0, with the center alpha minus 0 and radius which is 1, right? 1 square is 1 itself. Okay, if we allow alpha to vary, then it gives infinitely many circles. Each circle is of radius 1 and center on x-axis. Here we say that x minus alpha the whole square plus y square equal to 1 is called the family of circles, where alpha is called a parameter. So this parameter alpha, okay, why we call this as parameter is, if you vary the value of alpha, then all the circles with radius 1, here alpha is on x-axis, which implies, the point implies alpha is on the x-axis. See here, if you having the coordinate system like this, here x-axis, here y-axis, whatever be the alpha comma 0 will be the point here. Now radius should be 1. If this is 1, okay, the distance is 1. ಹಿಂಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಒಂದು ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಈಗ ಸಪೋಸ್ ಈ ಆಲ್ಫಾ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇಲ್ಲಿತ್ತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ 1 ಇರುವಂತೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಆಬ್ಟೇನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಈಗ ಸಪೋಸ್ ಆಲ್ಫಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿತ್ತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ಅದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ರನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದರಿಂದ 1 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆಯೋ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ವೆನ್ ಎವರ್ ಯು ಗಾಟ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ಫಾ, ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ circles with the same radius 1. Am I clear? So this whole family will be the family of circles. Therefore we say this equation as the family of circles, where alpha is called a parameter because alpha is varying. Depending on alpha, we'll get more and more circles like that. The general equation of a family of curves in one parameter alpha will be write as f of x, y, alpha equal to 0. The general equation of a family of curves in two parameters alpha and beta can be written as f of x, y, alpha, beta equal to 0. ಈಗ ಇದು ನಾನು ಸರ್ಕಲಿಗೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಇದೇ ಥರ ನೀವು ಯಾವುದೇ ಕರ್ವ್ ಸಿಗಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. So let us go for the definition. A curve E touches each member of a family of curves C, and at each point is touched by some member of the family is called an envelope of the family of the curve C. I repeat, a curve E which touches each member of a family of curves C, and at each point is touched by some member of the family is called an envelope of the family of curves. Now the working rule we will discuss. To find an envelope of a family of curves f of x, y, alpha, here one parameter we are taking, where alpha is a parameter, call this as equation 1. We need to proceed as below. First we need to differentiate this with respect to alpha, treating x and y are constants. Here alpha is a parameter, therefore x, y ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಆಲ್ಫಾವನ್ನು ವೇರಿ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ನಾವು ವಿತ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು ಆಲ್ಫಾ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ while differentiating this, you get dou f by dou alpha. Here dou f by dou alpha is called as partial derivative of f with respect to alpha. Now we eliminate the parameter alpha using the equation this, and dou f by dou alpha equal to 0. ಎರಡು ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದರಿಂದ ನಾವು ಆಲ್ಫಾ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂವನ್ನು ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇಟ್ ಗಿವ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ ಎನ್ವಲಪ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಗಿವನ್ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಆಫ್ ಕರ್ವ್ಸ್. This is about the theory behind it. Let us solve one problem so that you will be more confident about this example. You will get more confidence about this. Okay, find the envelope of the family of lines y equal to mx plus a by m, where m is a parameter. Now they had given the parameter m, right? So and the family of lines they had given, which is mx plus a by m, which is equal to y. So let us solve this solution. We have y equal to mx plus a by m. According to the working rule, we need to differentiate this equation with respect to m, alva? With respect to parameter we need to differentiate. So differentiating this, we get treating y constant implies derivative of y is 0 equal to m into x is there, x constant, derivative of m with respect to m is 1 plus a constant, derivative of 1 by m is minus 1 by m square, which implies m square equal to a by m. Am I correct? Now from this equation you write this, simplifying this, okay, m of y equal to m square x plus a, right? Otherwise you can do this as y equal to m square x plus a divided by m, like this also you can write. Okay, we have y equal to m square x plus a by m. Therefore y square equal to m square x plus a the whole square divided by again m square. We know the value of m square, that is a by m, a by x, right? M square is a by x, right? So a by x we need to substitute m square into x, that is a by x the whole square will come into x plus a whole square divided by again a by x. Am I correct? Raised to 2 is will not come because m square is already there. So here we can cancel x and x, will left with a plus a, 2a the whole square divided by a by x. This is 4a square divided by a by x, which is 4ax, which is the envelope of the given family of curves. ರೈಟ್, ನೋಡಿ ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ನಮ್ಗೆ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಏನು ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ y ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 4ax ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ಪ್ಯಾರಾಮೀಟರ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವಂಥದ್ದು m ನಾಟ್ ದ್ಯಾರ್, ವಿಚ್ ಇಂಪ್ಲೈಸ್ ನಾವು ಪ್ಯಾರಾಮೀಟರನ್ನು ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಆವಾಗ ನಮಗೆ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಆಫ್ ಕರ್ವ್ಸ್ ಆಪ್ಟೇನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಆ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಆಫ್ ಕರ್ವ್ಸು ಯಾವ ಥರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಅದು ಎನ್ವಲಪ್ ಹಾಕ್ಕೊಂಡಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. Find the envelope of the family of lines x cos alpha plus y sin alpha equal to p, where alpha is the parameter. We have this equation, call this as equation 1, or you can write this as minus p equal to 0, that also possible. I will leave as it is. Now according to the working rule, we need to differentiate with respect to alpha. So I am differentiating partially. Now this will be x cos alpha is there. Here x is constant. Derivative of cos alpha is minus sin alpha, plus y into derivative of sin alpha is cos alpha, and the derivative of p with respect to alpha will be 0. Call this as equation 2. Now from equation 1 and 2 we need to remove the parameter alpha, right? So from equation 2 we have minus x sin alpha plus y cos alpha equal to 0. Therefore x sin alpha equal to was y cos alpha, and tan alpha equal to y by x. So considering the right angle triangle, we have x here, we have y here, because tan alpha equal to y by x, right? So here is the alpha, and then the value of this will be square root of x square plus y square. I think you know how to find this or how to deal with this. Okay, therefore sin alpha, the value of sin alpha is, here is alpha, opposite side, that is y, divided by hypotenuse x square plus y square, and the value of cos alpha will be x divided by square root of x square plus y square. Am I correct? Call this as equation 3. Now from equation 1 and 3, this 1 and 3, we have x into value of cos alpha is x divided by square root of x square plus y square, plus y into sin alpha, y divided by square root of x square plus y square equal to p we have. So this will be x square plus y square divided by square root of x square plus y square equal to p. Therefore x square plus y square, here root will come, raised to 1 by 2 equal to p. That is x square plus y square equal to p square is the envelope of given family of lines. Am I clear? Very simple problem. ನೋಡಿ, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿಯಾದಂತಹ ಪ್ಯಾರಾಮೀಟರ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, which is free from parameters. Like this we solve the problem. Okay.